We'll talk about vegetable processing machines, cheese processing machines, pizza processing machines, and a lot more in this video. Keep an eye out. Number 1. Automatic tin can making machine. You can get first-rate can production solutions from paint cans, glue buckets, generous cans, oil cans, paint cans, food cans, milk powder cans, and yicks and technology. Their can manufacturing equipment and production line may be of assistance to you in producing metal cans of various shapes and sizes. The company's manufacturing line has been sold to over 30 countries and regions around the world, and it has received consistent customer praise. Number 2. Mineral water filling machine. Surprisingly, this single machine can perform multiple functions. The automated rinsing, filling, and sealing machine can be used to fill and cap drinking water, such as mineral water or pure water, quantitatively. It has functioned as a disinfectant trench, a septic water rinsing, automatic liquid filling tank, intake material, air conveyor feed bottles, automatically rinse, open valve, and feed caps without bottles. Its structure is compact, its design is appropriate, and its operation and maintenance are simple. The primary machine is controlled by frequency speed and runs consistently and credibly. In contact with the product, it employs high-quality stainless steel. After switching changeover elements, it is suitable for various types of PET bottle filling. Number 3. Automatic burger forming machine. Sormac burger machine is the most popular brand in the UK for all food preparation needs. Applications include meat, fish, potatoes, vegetables, and vegan foods. They have been delivering Sormacs for over 25 years and are experts at determining their clients' needs. Sormac is the market's most cost-effective automated burger machine. Paper interleaving is included as standard. Capacity ranges from 2,000 to 100 to 24 forms per hour. Stacking, retail, and commercial forming systems are always available. Number 4. Automatic pizza processing machine. Enco's pizza-based production solution, based on many years of experience, provides full consulting services and addresses production challenges, allowing you to automate production with less work and stress. You can shop not only for pizza-making machinery like sieving, wrapper making, and packing, but also for your own proposal created by Enco's sales engineers based on your production demands, available equipment, human resources, and so on. To meet actual production demands, the machine's model and quantity can be changed. Number 5. Automatic potato making machine. In the potato chip manufacturing facility, fresh potatoes are used as raw materials. It can produce crisp, high-quality potato chips. Several potato chip machines are designed to use cutting-edge technology. There are semi-automatic potato peeling machines, potato slicing machines, French fries cutting machines, and potato watering machines, among others. With the assistance of these extraordinary machines, any industry can increase production and sales of perfectly crispy, desired potato chips. Number 6. Cheese processing equipment mech group. In China, mech was a pioneer. They invented and built machinery for the cheese processing industry to meet client production process needs for various cheese varieties, tastes, and production scales, allowing customers to consistently produce high-quality cheese products. With a team of engineers and trained technicians, they develop, engineer, and provide everything from single components to full manufacturing lines to meet the needs of clients all over the world. MEC recommends one-of-a-kind cheese-making equipment based on the best options for producing various types of cheese. This thing is a monster. If you've been enjoying it thus far, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 7. Sormac Vegetable Processing Machine. In a nutshell, they have a proven track record in potato, carrot, and onion peeling machines and are the most forward-thinking supply of leafy green washing and drying systems. Sormac strives for excellence in design, construction, and functionality, allowing you to provide the highest quality and results to your customers. Potatoes can be cut into 2, 4, or 8 pieces by the DM90. However, product doses must be provided with a solid frame aligning. The machine includes rollers as well as a cutting section with a centering and knife block. The machine includes a vibration chute to ensure that the potatoes are filled evenly and optimally. A frequency drive system is installed on the machine. The driving mechanism consists of spinning aligning rollers that are controlled by a conveyor chain on both sides of the machine. 4 aligned items can be accommodated by the self-aligning rollers across the width of the roller bed. After the centering equipment has precisely positioned the potatoes in the center of the blades, they are brought to the cutting area where 2 products are sliced simultaneously. The knives in the left block may not be the same as those in the right. On one track of the machine, the knife block may contain half of the product and generate 4 or 8 segments on the other 2 tracks. Number 8. Finest Vegetable Processing Machine. This brand's machines are used effectively by everyone from small-scale farmers to large industrial corporations. They spend a large portion of their revenue on developing new systems. They have predictably raised the bar in the processing branch. They are all well known for their ability to wow the market with their extraordinary creations. The team creates machines that focus on staff cost reduction, yield enhancement, cost reduction, and simplicity. The Hydro Cutter, for example, is a potato processing system that can slice large quantities of French fries, wedges, halves, or quarters. This machine is versatile and adaptable due to its small size, large capacity, and adjustable frame. Then there's their distinctive tailor-made onion, which is a highly exclusive product that can only be obtained with the finest onion peeler. Before air peeling, the onions are cut from root to tail. As a result, the onion is peeled but not sliced on both sides. So, which one did you prefer? Please let us know by leaving a comment below.